Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Peter Fissner from ScreenProtector and the Inte.Team. Guys, weird, yeah? Somebody has knockered the package. I don't know what's in it to be true because I'm ordering always something. Like, I would not want to have my profits in the business, but oh well. Oh look, that's for the hotter station. That's nice, cause when my hotter station came it was missing some components, so I did receive what was missing, so that's great, that's awesome. So thank you for the seller, because that's nice. That's actually surprisingly well, because you know, they could say like, whatever, we don't have it, you want to send it back or not. But they offered £10 discount plus the components that they will send as well. So that's really nice of them. Very good. So now back to the business, yeah? The list, and let's show the list, because the list is really important. So we will use Inte.Team website now, Inte.Team, yes. We were starting to use it. It's a membership platform with e-wallet. There will be total of minimum of 1 million members. Those toxic colors are in purpose so that, you know, it shows how we've destroyed our planet. Let's go to the blog, because the whole point of this video is in the blog. Okay, you don't see beyond that point. Okay, good to know. So I'll show you like this. Now should be okay. Don't know why you can't see more, but anyways, I've made this post here: HDMI port reading in game consoles. Yes, so here it's still undergoing, you know, work on this website, but it is useful. So I've explained here that I've used my old multimeter from the 90s to make these measurements. It's a Metex. I always use it in the recordings. These might not be 100% accurate, of course, because it's a meter not calibrated like ever, and I'm using it for too many years. These might not be 100, but quite close. I've used in my left hand a red probe and a black probe in my right hand. Yes, I've used a diode continuity measurement on the meter. Yeah. Here are my findings. So I've got a problem with Xbox One X. If somebody could comment in this video down in the comment section, because you can't comment here, you need to be either a member or a partner, so yes, you won't be able to comment. But what I want to say is those are the readings. I've got a problem with this one. I will have to open another Xbox One X, which I could do, but it's time consuming. These are more accurate, the rest are more accurate. Okay, so PS5, again, from left hand it was used red probe, and on the right black probe. Yes, and I'm always putting red, left it's red, and left it's red. So you've got a Series S and you've got Series X as well. Yes, so that's what it is. And those readings are actually, to be true, look at the Series X and Series S. Yes, it's OL on the 1 to 2 pin from the left hand side. From the left hand side was used red probe, and that's pin 1 to 2. It's OL in both. 700 OL, 700 OL, 700 OL, and the same is here. And then you've got here double readings, so either I've done something wrong, because here is only one reading. Yes, and then here are 3 zeros, and then look, 15 to 16 is 1420, and 15 to 16 is 1450. Yes, or then I've checked on the Series X today, and today because I had the Xbox Series X where after soldering HDMI port wasn't, you know, still give us a display, so I was trying to test it and check what's wrong. Is it a 61M chip or something? So I did across that, you know, and I did check, and it was showing me at 1.568 millivolts, yes, drop. So not sure which one is correct now. Yes, I'll have to open more of them, but that's all Series X I've got for now. Yes, so I can't check it. And then it's again here. Now look at the PS5 as well reading. It's comparing to the PS5 to Xbox Series S, which will be quite accurate. You've got as well this high reading, yes, on the 15 to 16 port. You've got OL 7 OL, yes, so you've got OL 7 OL the same stuff, yes, so that's quite accurate. And lower reading or lower millivolts drop on the 17 to 18. But if you look at the 1X, the port is opposite, yes, so that would make sense. But again, I don't see this high voltage. I mean, those 1000 something millivolts drop, like here 1300 or here 1400. Yeah, so I don't see it. So yeah, I would like to add all of them and then compare one to another, you know, just to have those readings. And it's you know, making my making my life easier. So hopefully, you know, hopefully it will be useful for someone as well. I won't be hiding this post will be always there for everyone. So it is at Inte.Team. Then you click on the blog. For now it's only recent posts. Later will be other categories of the blogs and so on. I just need to figure out the best way to approach it. So here and here in this you will have more and more posts which I will be making. So that's it, guys. That's everything. What I can say to you, that for those who are curious what the Inte.Team is a membership platform where we are using crowdfunding. So we will be using membership fees to buy faulty electronics. Now we're starting it in 1 week time, because book repair is finished coding, and now it's this one. We're just finding bugs to be true, and we will have first 100 members as soon as possible, and we already have over 50 people interested in joining, so that's nice. And when we will launch it, everyone will be subscribing for like £10 per month as a member, and then we will be buying goods, faulty goods, then components, fixing them and putting them back into this e-commerce web store at Inte.Team, and then all the members and partners will be able to buy them from their credit, because whatever membership is, we put in it back as a credit, as a form of a credit, and then all the stuff we are using and it's fixed, it's not goes as a spare parts, will be for the community to benefit from. Yes, so the more we can buy, the more we can offer back to the community, and then profits will be used to produce great electronics which are better fixable than the electronics we have. So imagine yourself having 1 million members and about at least 1000 repair shops. I would say that's more than that. And then imagine yourself that each member generates only £1 per month profit on average. Yes, so you've got £1 million per month to produce electronics goods. So we're creating for real a better world, and everybody can either join us, yes, or can be against us. Yes, so if somebody can afford £10 for their future electronic purchase, they can help us out. If somebody is learning fixing electronics, they can join us as well, because we wanting to create job places as electronics repair shops which can offer 5-star rating for our members, and hopefully their customers as well. Yes, because if somebody can fix for us in a 5-star rated, they can have as well customers. So that's everything, guys. I don't want to make this video too long. I wanted to have it below 10 minutes. So you see, we're launching Inte.Team, and let's make this world a better place. Take care, guys. Bye bye.